As part of the Eat What You Grow series, we're going to need eggs for this recipe. So let's go ahead and get some collected. Oh, we got a lady in here. We ended up getting 5 today, but she was sitting on a couple. So let's get baking. Hello, and how is everyone today? I am doing great. This is Our Life Simplified. My name is Laura. If you're new to this channel, thank you for joining. And if you've watched any of my videos, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to be making something with strawberries. We went on a little road trip yesterday. On our journey, as we were driving some of the back roads, we happened to pass one of our local orchards. Well, they had strawberries for sale. So we did can up some jam, which is super easy. So be sure to catch that video if you want to learn how to make jam. Today, I'm going to be using one of the packages. I'm just gonna follow the recipe that is on the box. And for these sugar cookies, it's going to be 1 stick of melted butter and 1 egg. So let me go ahead and get that mixed up. I have the sugar cookie mix in here, 1 egg. This is a melted stick or half a cup of butter. And I'm just going to throw in just a little bit of my homemade vanilla extract. I'm going to mix all of this up really well and then press it into the rectangular casserole dish. Depending on which point you measure it in, it's approximately a 9 by 13. All of it's mixed in, no more powder. Just going to scoop all of this in. My hands are clean, so I'm just going to press this cookie dough in. And oven is preheating at 375. I'm going to start out at around 12 minutes and just see how long this will take to bake up. It is done. It took approximately 21 minutes. I am at the stage of everything is cooled. I went ahead and I put together one of them, and this is what I'm putting on it. I am just taking a Greek yogurt. This is blueberry. I'm going to open it, stir it, and smear it on here and place the fruit on it, and then we'll give it a try and see how it tastes. This could be a flop or not. So I'm just going to stir that up really good, make sure all that fruit at the bottom is incorporated, and we'll see if one will do it. I might have to grab another one. But I did not have any cream cheese here, so I had the yogurt, I had the fruit, I had the cookie mix, and I thought, why not? I think I'm gonna need another one. All right, so I stirred up the second cup. I'm gonna lay that on, and I'm kind of loving that beautiful purple, almost a lilac color. So pretty. It'll be perfect for our Memorial Day get together. So I got that spread on. I am just going to sprinkle on some fresh fruit. We got some blueberries. And we got some strawberries. I just chopped them up, like quartered them up. And with all those strawberries I got, we now have several different desserts. There you have it. It's got your sugar cookie base with your Greek yogurt and the fresh fruit. Actually, let's go ahead and give it a taste. You all want to taste it?
Right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got some guinea pigs here. We're all going to go ahead and give this a quick taste before we serve it to everyone else. Cheers. I'm sorry, but I think that is really, really good.
Really good.
Okay.
10 out of 10.
So, for the win. And I suspect this one is going to taste a lot better because I have my homemade vanilla extract in the cookie dough mix. This one, I just didn't put any vanilla extract. But, oh my gosh, you really should try to make this. I didn't know if I was going to like the combo, but it really does taste really good. And you really don't like yogurt, do you?
I don't like yogurt. I don't like blueberries, and this is really good.
There you go. So you got to try this. A nice, fresh, summery type of like a fruit pizza. Perfect for the summertime. And if you would call this something else, be sure you mention it down below. If you've made this recipe before or something similar, be sure you share with the rest of us. And hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And until next time, thank you for watching.